Okay, hello, thank you. Thank you for tuning in to Custodian File. This is going to be a short post, a short video. We're going to have a little bit of a mixture for the month of June. This is about 1% of the activity. I have a lot of video. I'm just going to show 1%. As you know, I've taken down a lot of my content for now, just on the advice of my advisors. Some people are getting a little nervous. So here we go. This is an Apache. Like I said, everyone from A to Z is chasing this drone in Marina del Rey. Here goes. We got ourselves, or not an Apache, it's a Black Hawk. Here's the drone up above, also referred to as a dragon, as I thought in the beginning this was a dragonfly. Obviously, it's not a bird, it's not a dragonfly. So here it goes. This is right here, a drone coming off the ground with no marker. Let me play that again. It's pretty interesting. They sit on the ground and they sit in the water. It's rare. It's rare to get a video like this because it's extremely random. Whereas when you have the choppers, it's less random. Okay, let's go to the next one. Kind of obvious. This is a chopper. This is a news chopper here in Los Angeles. And I can't really say why he's there or what news story he's looking for. I couldn't give you a clue. Here we go. And actually, just let's replay something real quick. So this is a 4K video and shooting 60 frames a second. So basically, if you want to know the speed approximately, there's position 1 and position 2. That's approximately from here to here. That's approximately the same length as the chopper. The chopper is about 40 feet. So that thing just traveled, this object just traveled 40 feet in one frame. I'm shooting 60 frames a second, 60 times 40, 2400, more or less, plus or minus 10% for error. It's consistent, the math is consistent that this thing is, its speed, its airspeed is 2,500 feet per second. I have a lot of video of the same math. Like I said, I'm wrong. What if I'm wrong? 10%, 20%, 50%? What's 50%? That would be 1,200 feet per second. So you get the message. This is very fast drone. Here we go. Let's go to the next. All right, what we have here, red and white chopper. Yeah, it's the fire department. They're here because of their thermal cameras. They have very sensitive, high-tech thermal heat flare cameras, as they should, right? Most likely they could see a toaster, the heat of a toaster from 2 miles. And the reason they're here is these drones, as high-tech as they are, they do have a heat signature that is detectable with a really nice flare camera. And that's why these guys are flying around. Let's see, the drones should be in this video. I believe on top and then on the bottom. There he is on top and then now on the bottom here. And maybe I could freeze frame that and slightly enlarge it real quick. Same thing. That's a 10-inch copper disc. Why doesn't it look like copper? Why is it always dark? Now you're getting into the physics of their propulsion. And I think I've got it figured out. But basically, they generate a magnetic field that is so powerful, light does not reflect, or photons do not reflect. And let's leave it at that because there's a lot of smart people out there that don't agree with what I'm saying, so that's fine. You're welcome to post your opinion. I like to listen to smart people. Hey, let's go to the next video. Okay, pretty much the same. Somebody here is looking for this drone. I believe that's the news chopper again, but it's kind of irrelevant who they are. This video is not about choppers. It's not. So that's irrelevant. I'm irrelevant. The choppers are irrelevant. The only thing relevant is these drones flying around at this incredible speed. Okay, there's drone. Oh, by the way, this is a 2 drone. That was drone 1. Here's drone 2. And then what's nice about this, there's a bird that flies by. So the third object is a bird for reference. Okay, here comes drone 2, and now a bird. There you go. You can calculate the speed. Now this is a black and white chopper, but it's not the police. This is also a news chopper. Same thing here. This is closer to the camera than the chopper. Same math. Here we go. And now this one is law enforcement. The drone is pretty close to the camera here. See if we can get up close. There it is. There's the impossible. There's the absolute impossible. Not supposed to exist according to our science and physics. This is not supposed to exist, not supposed to be here. Very impressive. By the way, some people are saying, wait a minute, what is this little appendix right here? What is going on with that? Why is that there? You can't see it here, but it is there. So that's, without giving away all the secret sauce, that's its propulsion. I could say a lot about it, but it's too much information, as they say, right? Okay, I think that's about it. Please follow me on my Instagram. It's new. I wanted to put the Instagram. I'm not really a computer person, so I'm just slowly getting on board with this. But please follow me on the Instagram, Custodian Files. And my hope is to start to post live stream. You'll start to see these videos live. You'll see what it's about. And there'll be other updates. So please, I need your support. I'm doing a lot of hard work here. And yeah, it's if you've been watching TV, you've just recently heard about one of these drones in Long Beach. And if you're really watching TV, you heard about 2 of these drones in Utah. So stay tuned. I'm really on top of this, and I'll keep you updated. Alrighty, thank you very much. I appreciate your support, and please feel free to ask any questions or comments. All right, stay safe. See you later.